Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here, another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to hopefully resolve internet connection problems you have in Windows 10. So whether you have a yellow explanation mark or if you have an error saying you don't have internet access, this tutorial will be going over how to hopefully resolve your internet connectivity issues. So we're going to just jump straight into it, and we're going to start by right-clicking on the Start button. And then we're going to left click on Command Prompt Admin. At this point, you want to left click on Yes with this user account control window. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, winsock, another space, reset, and then another space, and then you want to type in catalog. So it should read netsh winsock reset catalog, and then you want to hit enter on your keyboard. So then it says you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So restart the computer. So before we restart, you want to type in netsh space int, another space IP, space reset, and then another space, and now type in reset.log, log. So netsh space int space IP space reset.log, and then hit enter on your keyboard. So again, it's going to ask us to restart our computer here. So at this point, you want to restart your computer. So close out of the command prompt window and restart your computer. Hopefully your internet connection will be up and running by the time you restart your computer. Please keep in mind that reasonably this cannot work for everybody, but I hope that it works for you guys. I hope it works for as many people as possible. And overall, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial like all the other ones I make, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Goodbye.